Hi, everybody. Hope everybody's well. Hey, this is a message for real estate investors, specifically new real estate investors. I just got notification that Fannie Mae is changing some of their guidelines for new investors. So, Fannie Mae will no longer allow rental income to count towards your qualifying ratios unless you have a year of landlord experience and own a primary residence. So, let me say that again. If you're trying to buy an investment property, and usually we can use 75% of the income from that investment property as income to qualify you, as income to get your debt to income ratios where they need to be. Fannie Mae will no longer allow that unless, one, you have a primary residence, and two, you've got a year of landlord experience. And word on the street is Freddie is going to follow suit, right? So they're going to do the same thing. So what does that mean? That means for those of you who don't show enough income to get into that rental property, you're going to have to pivot. Well, I have a solution. So we have a cash flow investor loan. In fact, we have the three top, what we call Alt-A lenders, non-QM lenders in our pipeline, excuse me, that have various forms of this cash flow investor property loan, meaning if the cash flow is enough to cover the debt service, you're qualified as long as you have the right credit score and the right down payment. So we have a solution to this. It just means you can't go get a Fannie or Freddie loan for you new investors. So that's an important deal. That's an important ratio that all lenders need to know about and all new investors need to know about. And of course, if you need more info, just give me a shout. I'm always here. Hope you're all well. Bye-bye.